threw it out front off the skate of Malkin. He collides with Lehtera. They both go down to the corner. Malkin might be hurt.
Oh, no, he went down hard. And he went down in a hurry. Got all caught up on the plate with Lehtera. And this guy's like a finely tuned race car. And when he goes down, he's such a big man, and often he doesn't get up that well. And he just goes down in an awkward position there, and we'll keep an eye on him.
Lehtera fall on his left leg.
Ooh. You're right.
You don't want to win a series because a good player goes down, but looked like Malkin's leg got kind of tied up under Lehtera and twisted on the way down. Watch his left leg here.
Yep, that's what I thought, Bill, too. The left leg. Oh, yeah, it looks like he got hyperextended, perhaps. Look at that left leg. Oh, yeah.
It almost looked like Malkin was trying to slew foot Jori Lehtera.
And he ended up hyperextending it.
Paying the price.
Yeah.